Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to unleash your inner athlete with the most rugged smartwatch on the market, the Apple Watch Ultra Titanium case? This beast of a watch is built to meet the demands of endurance athletes, outdoor adventurers, and water sports enthusiasts, with a specialized band for each. You'll get up to 36 hours of battery life, plus all the features that help you stay healthy, safe, and connected. With its extremely rugged and corrosion-resistant titanium case, you can tackle any terrain, from mountains to oceans, and the larger digital crown and more accessible buttons make it easy to navigate. The customizable action button gives you instant physical control over a variety of functions, and the 100mm water resistance means you can dive in without worrying about damaging your watch. The Always-On Retina display is the biggest and brightest yet, making it easy to see even in direct sunlight, and you can add complications to customize your watch face. For endurance athletes, advanced metrics in the workout app, including heart rate zones and running form, help you optimize your performance, and the precision dual-frequency GPS provides accurate distance, route, and pace calculations. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's well reviewed, which is no surprise given its incredible capabilities. Whether you're a runner, hiker, or climber, this watch has got you covered, with features like the Redesigned Compass app and backtrack function, which uses GPS to map where you've been so you can retrace your steps. The Apple Watch Ultra Titanium case is the ultimate companion for anyone who loves the outdoors, and with its top-notch features and rugged design, it's no wonder it's a bestseller, so why not get your hands on one today and take your adventures to the next level? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.